Yeah, it's it ain't going nowhere. Man, thank you. Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. For this episode, I'm going to be installing a limestone wall inside of an apartment unit. Maybe like 3/4 from the bottom. In order to make it stick, I'm going to be using hot glue and then construction adhesive. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Let's get started.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Alright folks, what we're looking at now is the finished product. These are not limestone, but they're stacked stone veneer panels. That's what they're called. They're lightweight, decorative wall panels designed for interior accent walls. And as soon as I get up these stairs, I'll show you exactly what I used in order to put all this together. Now for this project I used about 12 boxes, and each box is going to cover about 5.5 square feet. Once again, the brand is Roma and they're manufactured stone veneer panels. They're typically sold at places like Menards. They come in colors like gray mix or earth brown. For this project I simply just cut the pieces as I went to make everything fit clean along the edges and corners. In this video you're going to see me using hot glue. That's going to be used as a temporary hold for these tiles because the construction adhesive is going to take at least 30 minutes in order to dry, so I don't want anything sliding around. You're going to need a caulk gun. You might need a level, but basically as long as the floor is level, you can start from the ground up and all the tiles should be level. It's optional but recommended. And gloves, because you don't want to get your hands all sticky. made a little mistake on the cut, but it should work out. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah. How you doing? Yeah.
Come here, look at it. You already done. You done already done this
Yep.
part of that side or whatever, the whole side or what?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think there's a light right there. You can cut that on or whatever.
yeah, you got it like this here. Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm just trying to.
it was nice.
Yeah, working with what we got. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. It's not. It ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.